Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the Odoo Dynamic Bank Check Print module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our Odoo backend. After installing the module, go to Invoicing. Here, on the top menu, click on the Configuration tab, then select Bank. Once it opens, click on the New button to create a check format for your bank. Enter the bank name, for example, Axis Bank, and then provide the bank identifier code. Now, click on the Edit icon and upload the bank check image. After that, click on Add a line to add check attributes such as check date, pay line, amount in words, amount box, account number, and AC Pay label. Then, click on the Save button. Finally, click on the Configure Attributes button to set up the check attributes. From here, you will see the check image on the left side and a list of attributes on the right panel. Select the check date, then move your cursor over the check image. Choose the position where you want the date to appear, then click and drag to draw a box. The box you create marks exactly where the date will be printed on the check. Now, click on Update to save it. Let's move to the next one. Select Pay line, then drag and draw the box and click on Update again. Similarly, repeat this process for each attribute. After this, click on the Check Preview button. From here, you can see the sample check. Then go back, click on the Configuration tab and select Chequebook. Now, click on the New button to create a bank checkbook for your bank. Now, enter the name, then select the bank check. Enter the account number and the check number starting from 1. Click on the Save button. From here, you can see the status of each check. Now let's create a vendor bill. Go to the Vendor tab, then click on Bills. Once it opens, click on the New button. First select the vendor, then choose the bill date. Click on Add a line to add products such as pedal bin and storage box. After that, click on the Save button. Now, click on Confirm to validate the bill. You will see that the bill status changes to Posted. Then, click on the Print Check button. A dialog box will appear. Select the checkbook and then click on Print Preview. You will now see your check with all the details automatically filled in. This helps you save time and avoid manual errors. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.